Top 5 Amazon KDP niches, episode 16. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the 16th episode of the top 5 Amazon KDP niches of the week. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, the first niche for today is the garden logbook. Summer is already here and people are looking forward to gardening, so they're going to need gardening logbooks to input their gardens. I'm not really sure what they use gardening logbooks for, but I'm sure they're going to input maybe the different types of flowers they're gardening, either it's plants, different types of plants, or the number of times they water the plants. I'm not really sure what they really use gardening logbooks for. I don't garden, and I'm not sure how it works, but I'm guessing that that's how, or that's what they'll use logbooks for. So I saw a series of logbooks here, ones that are already doing well. These ones are really beautiful. This one is not a KDP book. It looks like a handbook or something, teaching you how to garden. So this one actually is KDP. This one also is KDP. No, this one isn't KDP. Once you see anything that has maybe spirals or I'm not sure what this is called, it is not KDP. So this is KDP right here, and it's already has a review. Scrolling down, let's see other books. Are the other books doing well? KDP books, yes. This looks like this looks like KDP. This looks like KDP too. And this one priced $8.99 already has a review. This one priced $11.99 already has one review too. So guys, this niche is definitely selling. As usual, I found you an interior on Creative Fabrica. This is the interior I found. It's a garden logbook interior. It's just 99 cents. But as usual, you can also get the whole, as usual, you can have access to all these interiors for the $19 per month plan. The link is in the description. And look at this. So many people want this. It's 34 people, 34 plus people have added this to favorite. That means they're looking forward to maybe doing gardening themselves, or maybe making some books for those who plan to garden. Okay, so apparently someone already bought it and um, gave a 3-star review, but didn't say anything. So I'm not sure why it is 3 stars, but apparently so many people want this. Okay, so let's move over to Publisher Rocket and see what keywords we can find under the garden logbook. So I'm just gonna quickly do a scroll for you. So apparently I was trying to scroll and it isn't scrolling because these are the keywords, just these little ones. The garden journal, best gardening, not as an app. So garden logbook journal, garden logbook. You see some people are specifying for garden logbook spiral bound. So this is definitely not KDP. You shouldn't include this in your KDP as your KDP keywords. And so this is basically the keywords right here. There are not many keywords for gardening logbook. And we're going to move over to the second niche. The second niche for today is the Menopause Journal. So I was even surprised to know that there's something like a Menopause Journal. Because, well, it was just surprising for me. I had no idea that something like this existed. So I found 246 reviews on Amazon. And scrolling down, I could see some books that were already selling, like this one right here is KDP. And we can see that it already has a review price at $6.45. It has a base of around 4 million. Look at this one too. This is another Menopause Journal. It has sold a few times. That's why it has a BSR, but it hasn't had a review yet. So this niche is definitely selling. People are definitely selling this book. This one too has sold, but no review yet. Sold, no review yet. So this niche is actually selling, and let's take a look at the interior I found for you on Creative Fabrica. It's a KDP Menopause Journal interior priced at 40 cents and over 38 plus people are ready to favorite. And let's see what it includes. Includes um, physical symptoms, mood changes, medications, exercise, and notes. So let's see. So, yeah, somebody reported and 5-star review. The person says it's good. That means the interior is actually awesome. Okay, so that is it for the menopause journal. We're moving over to the third niche of the day. Oh no, before the menopause journal, before we move on to the third niche, we have to get the keywords. So the keywords is right here, menopause journal. So this one actually has some keywords, and so I'm gonna do some scrolling for you. All right, yeah. So this is it for the menopause journal niche. We're moving on to the third niche, which is the appointment book for hairstylists. So many people want to come for hairstyling and they'll need an appointment. So this appointment book is very, very important for hairstylists. And I found 161 results on Amazon. And let's see if this niche is actually selling. And the first results are not KDP books. Let's scroll down and see if there are KDP books that are selling in this niche. So this one says Hair Hustler. Yeah, this one is actually KDP. It's Prime 8.99. So this is selling. It doesn't have a review yet, but it obviously has a PSR that shows that it's selling. And scrolling down, the other books too. This one's too is not KDP. Let's scroll down. So this is another one. So I'm wondering if it's that many people are not aware of this niche. That is why there are not many KDP books. Because I've seen just a couple of KDP books. So maybe this is an opportunity for you guys to quickly grab this niche and upload books as fast as possible. That is my guess. I'm guessing that many people don't know of this niche. That's why there are not many KDP books. So this is another KDP book I found, price at 598. It already has a review and has a BSR of around 619. So let me take a look at the results. All right, there you go. It's just 161 results. So not many KDP books are uploaded to this niche. So you guys should definitely take advantage of this niche. It's a huge opportunity for KDP sellers like you and I. So let's take a look at the interior from Creative Fabrica is priced at 40 cents. Wow. So this number, I'm just wondering why. It's like these people are not acting, or I'm talking about the number of people who have added this to favorite. It's like they're not acting on their favorites. I don't really get it because this number of people who have added it to favorite, I was expecting to see more of KDP books on Amazon, but notwithstanding, maybe it's left for you to overtake them and upload before they do. So let's say someone has already purchased this and left a review, no reviews yet, but many people want this book. So what does it include? It includes um this appointment book for hairstylist belong to, name, phone number, email, date. That includes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and notes. So it also comes in 100 pages, 8.5 by 11 inches, and it's available in InDesign and PowerPoint presentation, so you can change if you want. That's what they say. Okay, that's very nice because some people always have received some comments in the past saying that, oh, that means that if I'm getting an interior from Creative Fabrica, that means, oh, my interior is going to be the same as others. So I'm sure that the designers too have gotten many, many complaints about that, and that's why they decided to make several interiors in such a way that you can change it and make it available in PDF if you just want to upload like that, or in InDesign and PowerPoint if you want to edit. It's really up to you. So that is it for this niche. We're gonna move on to publisher record to see the keyword. So hairstylist. There you go. Just gonna do a quick scroll. All right, so that's it for this niche. We're gonna move on to the fourth niche of the day, which is the phone call logbook. I wonder who isn't using phone call logbooks. Anyway, that was a thing of the past. I was using it before, but I just had to use my phone call logbook. That's the phone call logbook in my phone. Yeah, that's one I actually use, which is not actually great because except you're using the cloud where you can store all your phone numbers, but if you lose your phone or if you change your phone, you have to get back all those phone contacts and it can be a hassle. So it's very advisable for you to use a cloud so you can transfer all your information. But I'm still surprised that people still use this phone call logbook. I'm sure maybe it's for the old schoolers who are used to maybe writing down their phone numbers. But apparently, this niche is still selling well because there are 419 results on Amazon. Not many people have uploaded books to this niche, so this is an opportunity for you to do that. So, looking at the book, actually, these ones right here are not KDP. So, I'm going to scroll and see if we have KDP results right here. So, let's look at this one. This one looks like KDP. It says 699 prime. Yeah, this actually looks like KDP, this one right here. So let's scroll down and wow, or over 53 reviews. This book is actually doing very well, guys. So I don't know about the others. Let's see if there are other KDP books that are doing well like that. So I've realized that there are some niches like this one right here, the last one we did before this one, that not many people have uploaded, that not many KDP sellers have uploaded books to it. So this is an opportunity for you to take advantage of this niche, this untapped niche, take advantage of this niche and upload books as fast as possible before other people do. So this one looks like it is KDP2. Let's scroll up. Phone call logbook and yes, Prime and 690. So this niche is doing well for KDP sellers, guys. So let's move to Creative Fabric and see what interior I got for you guys. It is 40 cents and it's a phone call logbook interior. And let's see what it includes. Has anybody purchased this? Maybe they've purchased it, but they have not left a review yet. But what does it contain? It contains a PDF file, InDesign, and PowerPoint, of course, if you want to edit. Then the size is 8 by 10. Then what does it include? It includes the phone call logbook. It includes the date, the time, phone, email, message, and return call. So that's what it includes. No reviews yet. Let's move over to Publisher Rocket and see what keywords we can use for this niche phone call logbook. I'm just going to do a quick scroll for you. All right, there you have it. So moving over to the last niche of the day is the weightlifting logbook. So apparently this also surprised me that some people want to lift as well as log the lifting. So I don't lift, I don't do lifting. So this is a whole new concept for me. Um, it's just 150 results on Amazon. And let's see if there are KDP books because these first ones are not KDP books. Are there any KDP books in this niche that are doing well? Because the niche is fairly untapped. Just how many results was that? 150 results. So this is another untapped niche. So let's take a look. This one looks like KDP right here. Weightlifting logbook. Yep, it is KDP. Look at this. 699 and it's prime. Look. And let's it already has 2 reviews and has a BSR of 845,000. Not bad. Let's look for another KDP book. And this one looks like KDP too. So guys, this is your proof here that this niche is selling. This niche is doing well. This are KDP books that are doing well. Price at 16.99. It already has reviews. So let's go to Creative Fabrica and see what interior I found for you guys. This is a KDP weightlifting book, logbook, and it's priced at 40 cents. What does it include? It comes in 21 people have added this to favorite, no reviews yet. All right, what does it include? It includes weightlifting belongs to body measurements, neck, right, biceps. Oh, I get it now. So this measurement book actually is a logbook that you log in with the measurement of your biceps, your left biceps, right biceps. Oh, now I understand how or the use of this book, because I was thinking that maybe it's used to, maybe you do the reps, then you record it down. That's what I was thinking it is useful, but I now understand the use of this book. So I think it's gonna be really important for those who are lifting weights, because they need to know if their biceps are actually increasing. They need to record before, after, the recorded right, left, the right and left biceps, their waist, chest, hips, and every other thing they want to measure. So I think this is very important, and it's available in 100 pages, 6.9 inches, and also available in PDF, InDesign, and PowerPoint if you wanna edit anything. So let's go over to Publisher Rocket and see what keywords we have. Weightlifting Log Book. I'm just gonna do a quick scroll. So there you have it, guys. That's it for this niche. That's it for the top five niches of the week. Guys, if you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, as it will help my video to be shown to more people. And if you like to learn more about KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.